Want a smarter way to spot market turns? Meet Expert Options Fibonacci tool. Precision retracements, animated levels, and instant key price zooms. It auto-draws Fibonacci levels on any time frame, highlighting high-probability zones. Branded colors and kinetic callouts make levels impossible to miss. Scribble-style annotations and subtitle-ready bullets keep analysis fast and clear. In seconds, you get entry, stop, and target areas. Trade with confidence. Let's apply it. Pick a swing high and swing low. The tool snaps levels, drawing 23.6, 38.2, 50, and 61.8% retracements automatically. Use the zoom to inspect reaction at the 61.8 level. Notice rejection wicks and volume drop. Enable animated retracements to play forward. See projected targets unfold and confirm momentum shifts. Live demo. Watch the chart animate. Levels pop, a confluence forms, and a trade setup appears. Try it now on Expert Option. Toggle settings, test levels, and trade smarter today.